For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News9 Digital with me, Amrita. And I'm going to be talking about a latest study done by University of Barcelona in Spain, which has found the presence of the novel coronavirus in sewage samples taken from March 2019 itself. Yes, you heard it right. The researchers have found the presence of the novel coronavirus in the samples taken from March 2019. Much before the world itself reported the first few cases of novel coronavirus or knew about the existence of this new virus. So basically, before we go ahead into what this research says, we need to mention that this study is still a preprint and awaits peer review. So what does this research mean for all of us? It means that the novel coronavirus is capable of circulating within a population without being detected for a very long time. And already we know that the number of asymptomatic COVID-19 patients are larger than those who are symptomatic COVID-19 patients, and subsequently the asymptomatic are the ones who go on to become the carriers, spreading the virus further unintentionally. Now let's look a little bit deeper into why exactly did the researchers even test the samples from March 2019 when there has been so far no clue that the virus was probably in existence way back before December 2019. Now researchers at the University of Barcelona tested sewage samples from different time period of the pandemic that was taking place in the country itself. So they tested samples from April 13th till May 25th and frozen sewage water samples from January 2020 to March 2020, as well as January 2019, March 2019 and September 2019 to December 2019. And some were also samples from 2018 as well. So amongst all of this, there were two crucial findings that the researchers made while they were carrying out the test. One, that the virus presence was found in the sewage water samples taken from January 2020. This meant that the virus was in circulation in Spain approximately 40 days before the first few cases of the coronavirus was reported in the country. The second most surprising and unexpected thing is that they found the March 2019 sewage water sample to be positive for COVID-19 as well. We need to remember that the first few cases of COVID-19 worldwide emerged in December 2019 in Wuhan of China. Now this is what the lead researcher had to say about their findings.
All samples from 2019 were negative for the presence of SARS-CoV-2 genomes except for March 12, 2019, where SARS-CoV-2 levels were very low but clearly positive for PCR, and in more using two different targets.
Now several other researchers who are not part of this research have went on to criticize the study as well for all the questions it leaves unanswered. Now researchers have suggested that the Barcelona team need to repeat their COVID-19 tests on the March 2019 samples. However, Dr. Bosch, the lead researcher, has said that it might not be possible. Moreover, other researchers have expressed their disbelief at what the researchers at Barcelona have found. They have claimed that probably the March 2019 samples were contaminated from the samples in which the virus was present, the samples which are more recently taken, and they also question the temperatures at which the samples from 2019 were stored. If that temperature is not suitable enough, then they have questioned how the virus can even survive for a year-long period. Now, sewage water testing has been corroborated with researchers finding out that viruses can also be shed in feces. Novel coronavirus can also be shed in feces of humans. There is very little known about the novel coronavirus, and Barcelona's is not the only study which have theorized that probably the virus was in circulation much before, probably years before we knew about its existence. A new study by the University of Calgary theorizes that probably novel coronavirus, the new virus that we know of today, was evolving all the way back from since 2013. Italian researchers who were testing sewage water again found out that the virus was present in their December 2019 sewage samples collected from 2 cities as well. This was way before Italy reported its first few cases in mid-February. Moreover, French authorities who were retesting old flu samples from 2019 found out that a person who was undergoing treatment for pneumonia was actually positive for COVID-19. Now, the first few cases in France were reported on January 24th. Now, all of these studies are still hypothetical and there is no concrete conclusion which has been derived so far about the origins of novel coronavirus, and it still remains contested. However, as we go on, we may begin to learn more and more about novel coronavirus. You can leave your opinion in the comment section down below about what you think of the origins of novel coronavirus. Also, like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital.